Hey guys, today we will be playing Cluedo and I will teach you. So, first we have the game board and 4 types of cards, which are suspects, red cards, weapons, and rooms. Next, we have prawns and 2 dice, a detective notepad, and we just need to set up the game. So we're going to put the prawns all in the middle of the game board. There we go. And we're gonna get 2 of the notepad sheets and give it to your other partner.
Okay, so in the game, we have to shuffle first the suspects. We have to shuffle it. Shuffle, and then on the we're playing the 2 players. I'm gonna ask Micah to choose 1 card, so both of us will not see it. Gonna put it on the side. Put this aside and shuffle these 2.
With what weapon they're using.
Yeah, and then choose a card. Put this here and then shuffle it. Pick a card. Put it there. So this is the suspect, the crime scene, and the weapon. Usually the big Cluedo game, they have a small envelope to put this on, but we don't have the envelope, and they have the small weapons to put, but we don't have to because this is only a cute Cluedo box. It's only a small one. Okay, so these are the red bonus cards. Just shuffle it. We will use that later. So this red bonus cards, if you landed on the red question mark key on those ones. So we're gonna put this aside and then we shuffle everything. Shuffle and distribute it to the players. Okay, so 1 for you, 1 for me, 1 for you, 1 for me. Distribute. There. So what you're going to do next is we have this, what do you call this one again? Detective notepad. Detective notepad each player, and we need to have a pen. We need to have a pen. Okay. So I got these cards. Don't see it, Micah. I got this card. So what you're gonna do is all the cards that you get, you're gonna cross on the detective part. So we're gonna do that now. So don't look. This is my detective notepad, and I already crossed the cards that I got. The winner will be the one who will guess whoever is the suspect, the weapon that he used, and where did he do it, or the crime scene. Okay, let's play. I'll be the first.
Yes.
So roll the dice. 8. Who am I? I'm the peacock again.
Okay.
So I'm purple.
No, blue.
Oh, blue. Because I thought peacock is purple, so it's blue. 8. Where am I going? Where's the... okay, so 1, 2... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I went to the one of the room. I went to the study, and now I will accuse someone to, as you know, any of the suspects. So I'm gonna accuse Mustard. No. Yeah, I'm gonna accuse Mustard. So you're gonna bring Mustard near you, and with a dagger in the study. So your opponent, so my opponent Micah, will show any evidence if she have one, and then we're gonna cross it out. So what evidence do you have? What evidence do you have? Okay, so the evidence you have is Mustard. So we're gonna put this one, and what I'll do is I'm gonna cross Mustard on my detective list. So bring back Mustard there. No, I'm gonna put Mustard there. Mustard. We forgot to put 4 cards here. Never mind. Because if we don't have any evidence, we have to pick on the 4 cards that was there. We forgot to do it.
So guys, it's my turn right now. I'm gonna roll the die.
Six plus 4.
10. I got 10.
Who's your character?
And my character will be Scarlet.
Okay.
Scarlet, you're going 10. And you have to go to the places where it's not crossed from your detective sheet. So I'm going to go here. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
I accuse Peacock with a rope.
Okay. So, we forgot to tell you, the opponent should only be showing one evidence at a time. Okay? So, it's either if I have a rope, because I'm Peacock, so if I have the Peacock character, and then, if I have the kitchen area. So I got the rope.
Okay, now
You crossed the rope on your sheet.
Oh, where's my pen? Oh, how'd my pen get there? Now it's Mum's turn.
5. Where am I going? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just gonna go to the bathroom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I accuse Plum. With a wrench in the bathroom. So she got a wrench. You gotta put the wrench here, and I'll cross out the wrench on my list. Okay. Your turn.
Okay. Roll the die. I got 8. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. No.
I got 4.
It's like I want to go to the
1,
bathroom.
2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna pick. So I landed on the red question mark. I can pick from here. Bonus question. Ask a question about any suspect weapon in room. Do not move your token. Play immediately. Ask a question. Okay. So I can ask a question. My suspect will be Plum. Is Plum used a dagger in the study? What's your evidence? So the evidence? Study.